Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. In this life, all of us, or maybe some of us, and definitely we all experience having someone whom we regard as our partner or as our dear one. To those of you, your spouses, maybe to friends that you can always tag along. Simba tayo, kain tayo, kape tayo, lakad tayo, gala tayo. Or even to special someones, of you who are preparing and discerning for marriage, to your superiors, to your teachers then. Life has given us ways to regard someone as our partner or someone journeying with us in this life. We've heard such beautiful stories in our readings today. After almost days of hearing the battle and the conflict between Samuel and David, the end story came up with a beautiful one. Samuel hearing David's good heart, and imparting him forgiveness and even reconciliation. And on the one hand, Jesus and his disciples, Jesus appointing men who will help him in his mission. But take note, it's more than a relationship, or more than making amends for a relationship. Through this relationship, blessings was poured forth. Best of graces were wished well to these people. Samuel knew so well that David will be a good king. That is why he was asking the Lord that he be given strength, he be given courage to be a good king sooner or later. And to Jesus, turning to his disciples, naming them apostles, granting them authority, blessing them with strength to drive out demons and to be his partners in mission. At marahil magandang itanong sa ating mga sarili, balikan natin sino ba yung mga taong kinikilala nating kalakbay natin sa buhay na ito. Those we regard as my partner, my tandem, my someone beside me. Yes, more than knowing them as your friend, as your superior, as your co-servant, as your partner per se. I hope we also wish them well and the best blessings in life. Not to see them as competitors, not to see them as our arbitrators or someone we regard as bad, but to see them partners, to which from us blessings shall come forth and graces shall come forth. Samuel blessed David with assurances of courage and faith. Jesus assured his disciples blessings and graces in mission. And I hope and we pray that to someone we regard as friend, as partners in this life, we wish them well and the best blessings of the Lord in this life.